Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around a beautiful TJ 2004 Unlimited Jeep we just got in. Beautiful frame off restoration. This thing is stunning. 85,000 miles, rust-free body. We just brought it back from Florida. It's at a full, complete restoration. Underside is nice as the top side. Nitto tires, 17-inch wheels, moto metal wheels, new top, new paint, undercarriage, all detailed, high gloss frame. List goes on and on. We'll post everything on our website. Runs and drives perfect. It's the nicest Jeep I've ever seen. If you want any nicer, you got to go buy a brand new 2022. I just took close to 100 photos of the Jeep and it's stunning. I found one little tiny stone chip on the passenger side glass you got to hunt down. Other than that, it's like brand new. Of course, four-wheel drive automatic. It's got the factory drivetrain in it, rebuilt automatic trans, inline 6 in it. You can see all the jams, the interior. It's got the sound bar, upgraded sound system. Beautiful Jeep. It's more of a show Jeep. I'd be afraid to get this thing wet, let alone muddy. As you can see, here's the frame. Doesn't come much nicer, guys. LED lights on the fender flares there. 4-inch lift in it. All the suspension's all new. There's the passenger side here. This Jeep's not going to last. I've never seen one this nice. Being a 2004 anyways. Beautiful undercarriage. Like I said, we just brought it from Florida. It's not going to last. Rust free. If you have any questions at all, my name's Dave. My number is 586-791-0778. ShowdownAuto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.